Hello. So, today we are headed to a very beautiful place which is not revealed even to us yet. But look at the place, look at the view, how beautiful and stunningly beautiful view. Look at the greenery and the cloud was adding little spice to it. और कैमरा बिल्कुल भी जस्टिस नहीं कर पा रहा है जो मैं अपनी आंखों से देख पा रही थी. It was so beautiful. We were in a group trip and it was so beautiful and it was really memorable trip. Look at the green. If you're a nature lover, you're gonna fall for it. You are gonna love it. Absolutely stunning, beautiful view. And we were heading towards our journey. This was the view of our road trip. और ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत था. हमने एक ग्रुप ट्रिप प्लान किया था जो कि एक इट वाज काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रैक आल्सो and we were in a group and everyone was enjoying themselves while I was capturing the view as always I do. I love to capture the nature and the views. I absolutely love it. Just look at the view and look at everyone was enjoying. And look at this, the man were doing their things in their fields. And this was the place village where we stayed for a while and then we headed towards our journey. The ride was absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. I got hit actually here, but yeah, हम लोग एक ट्रक के ऊपर बैठे थे and we were just madly enjoying our trip. But look at this breathtaking view. I mean, I was so stunned and I was so swayed with the calmness and the the greenery. It was so calm and so peaceful. I mean, you're just gonna fall for it. You are absolutely gonna fall for it. You get swayed with the views. And yeah, we were heading towards our journey. Everyone was enjoying. We were sitting sitting on the roof of the truck. बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा था हमें. Just camera, I say it, camera is not even able to capture what my eyes were seeing. मेरे आँखें ने इतना सुंदर नज़ारा कभी नहीं देखा था. It was the hidden place and I mean सब लोग वहाँ नहीं जाते हैं बिकॉज थोड़ा वेवी सा रास्ता है ये. तो usually I guess people avoid it and it was best for us. Nobody was there and we were absolutely enjoying our company. The group of people we had was so crazy, like so crazy. And that was a best part of our journey. If you have the best company, you're gonna love it. So हमारा अभी ये गाड़ी का ख़त्म होने वाला था एंड देन हमें पैदल चलना था. तो we were heading actually towards our main place. And look at this view.